Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we have the Southwest 737-700 in the Florida 1 livery. The flaps down model, as you can see. Got the little button, some nice CGI art. Let's see what we got here. No year. I can't see, my eyes are not that great. But I think it's a relatively new model within the last couple of years. There's the registration. The item number G2 SWA. Looks like 914F. Yep, 914F for flaps. Alright. See the landing stand. A bit of plastic. Oh, nice, come out good. Some nice artwork here. The Florida flag. Put it down. The landing gear out. Landing gear's even painted. The nose gear's even got some paint to match the livery, I'm sure. The other main gear. And it comes with the, oh man, this is new. I didn't think it was new. I thought I was buying a used model, but I'll take it. Got it off eBay for a good deal, $70, 70. It's like some Seminole Indians or something, indigenous people. What do you call them? It's like the state of Florida seal, I guess. Oh wow, some nice artwork here. I didn't realize they came with a nice artwork like this. Trying to get the other side. I like the white, how it's white. I have the Louisiana one. I'll show you that in a minute. The Louisiana one is mostly blue. Louisiana flag. It's got the little pelicans, which is the state bird. I guess I should know more about Florida. That's probably the state flower. I'm gonna look up what the state flower is and put it in the description. See somebody looks like on a boat, some kind of sailboat or something. Some more indigenous people maybe. Oh Lord, sorry. There you can see it says Florida 1. Nose cone. Windshield wipers, good. Heart logo. Can you read that? I can't. It really looks nice. Oh, that's a tribal woman. Maybe the Seminole, I don't know. I got several tribes. Oh, there's the registration number. November 945 Whiskey November. November 945 Whiskey November. They got the flag carrier, of course. Nice. Let's look at the flaps. I forgot this is a flaps down model. Let's look at the flaps. Oh, I thought it was broken for a second. I saw that missing piece and I said, oh shit, it's broken, but it's not. It's supposed to be like that. Got some nice winglets. Winglets are pretty big actually. I don't know if they're to scale. Here you see the flaps down. Looks pretty cool. On the other side of the 700, the other 737-700. They look great together, huh? Oh, I'm gonna use that for a thumbnail. I should put this one in front since this is the star of the show. Alright, put the landing gear on, hold on. And as advertised, the nose wheel does have paint that matches the bottom of the plane with the unemployment line there is in white instead of being like red. It's in inverse. Instead of being white with a red unemployment line, it's the paint is red with a white unemployment line for the pushback driver. Don't go past this line. And you know, the landing gear looks really good. That yellow? I have to check and see. Maybe it's supposed to be with the color scheme. Look at the other side, see if it's also yellow. Yep, it is, so. It's also yellow here, so I guess they painted it on purpose to match with the yellow. A little bit higher. Oh! Really great looking plane. Really happy to have it in my collection. Wow. Sits kind of funky. Is it sitting straight? I think it's sitting crooked. But maybe not. We're over here, so we got. Looks like the left wing is up higher than the right wing. That could be wrong. All right, so we have Louisiana 1 and Florida 1. Yeah, this wing is way up higher than this wing. Some serious wing flex going on, Gemini. What the hell? That wing flex, and then look at this wing flex. This wing flex looks like it's straight across. This one looks bowed up. I don't know. What do y'all think, guys? And it's not terrible. I mean, if I wanted to guess, I'd probably say it's been worked on. Maybe somebody had did some doctoring up on it. I have to look and see if I bought it used or not. And what I consider used is anything that's, and there's no seal, so anything can be used. I think it looks great no matter what. I mean, look at the artwork, it's just great. The artwork on these engines, amazing. I think this one says Louisiana 1. I don't remember it saying, but it probably does. Yep, Louisiana 1. Dust. I hope that's dust. My favorite is the undercarriage of this. Wow. It's a nest. The baby pelicans are nesting in that straw. I think that's great. Alright, remember to smash the thumbs up button. If you made it this far, it's a miracle. Thank you so much. And I'll see y'all in the next video. It's Johnny V from Florida 1. Signing out. Smash the thumbs up and I'll see y'all in the next one.